Are you tired of juggling multiple tools for your business needs? Imagine having everything you need in one place. Meet Empirely, your all-in-one solution. This platform integrates marketing, sales, and customer management. Let's explore how to get started with Empirely. First, sign up for the free 5-day trial. Next, customize your dashboard to suit your specific needs. Then, add your team members to collaborate effectively. Afterward, begin exploring tools for email marketing and CRM. With Empirely, manage your leads seamlessly. Track progress and automate tasks for efficiency. For example, if you run an online store, easily send follow-up emails. Or manage customer inquiries through a streamlined interface. Now, let's summarize what we've discussed. Empirely combines key business functions into one easy platform. Try it out with a 5-day free trial. Don't miss the chance to simplify your work. Sign up today and experience the power of Empirely.